Hello students, can you all see me and hear me properly? Just give me a quick yes or thumbs up in the chat box. Yes? Okay, I guess you all can see me. Here I have my phone just to ensure that I read all your chats. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. I can see that. So, my lovely students, welcome back to one more amazing session that we all are going to have about the topic called as what? Your bridge course, right? Tell me, just give me a quick thumbs up. All right, all right. Just give me 1 second. Yes, I think you all are joining Menti, right? Hello, bacha log. Hello, Deepak. Hello, Ronak. Julie, Kirti, Harsh, knock knock. Okay, Rajbala, Pro, Bhavna, Kirti. Oh my God, so many students in the class. Very warm welcome to all of you. And the class is about CBSE 10th Menti Quiz. Matlab Menti Pe we are going to do so many quiz questions. For that you all have to join Menti and the code is 751783. Please try and join Menti. I am requesting you all to do the same, right? Please join Menti and the code is 751783. All my 10th class students, this is a bridge course. Matlab, the bridge course is about to ensure that your knowledge gap must be fulfilled. Whatever you know till ninth class about these metals and non-metals, you can use in the 10th class in such a way that your base must be very strong and you can understand the chapter of chemistry called as metals and non-metals in a very good and that way that ma'am we are getting all the things now. It seems easy for all of us. So yes. Hey bacha, how to join Menti? Do one thing. What? Go to Mentimeter, टाइप करो गूगल पे और ये कोड अप्लाई कर दो जब साइट खुल के आए that I want to join it and the quiz for it is right now on the screen and the code you all have to apply is 751783. I can see so many students are already joining and liking it. Vishakhapatnam, oh my God, how's the condition over there? Got to know about things? Good afternoon, good evening, basically. Good evening, everyone. Good evening to all of you. All my amazing students. I hope quarantine is going fine. Yeah? Yes. Hey, Komal. Good evening, Om. Hello, Vihit, Jayesh, and everyone. Let's see how many of you are super ready for the quiz. Can we cross 425? Tell me quickly. Hey Dimpy, how are you? So you know that in 10th class there is a chapter called as metals and non-metals, third chapter of chemistry. So let's clear the basic in terms of having a quiz. Quiz on the same pace, 60% question will be easy, 20% will be medium and turn 10% will be a bit tricky or it will need your mind to be super active so that you can attempt it. Wonderful, wonderful. Hey, new student. Hey, Subhash, how are you? Hey, Aryan. Hey, Shweta, Sheetal, Prathosh, something, something, Parth, Samarth. Can't read all the names. It's going like this. I think we have crossed 425 means we all can start. So tell me, my class, are you all super ready to have this amazing quiz today so that you can grab so much of knowledge about this chapter? Means at least you can clear your base. Yes. Hey Anvisha, hey Seema, tell me. Yes. Wonderful, wonderful students. So I'm starting the session right now. I think you all are super ready. Please attend the quiz by the code 751783. And first question is coming on your screen right now. Okay, everyone, you all have to be super fast. Then only you will get more points. The most reactive metal is among these options iron, gold, zinc, and potassium. Four option is given. and you need to choose the most reactive metal, which is very reactive. If you keep it just like that in the air or in the water, it can catch fire. Okay, I hope you must know the reactivity series or activity series from 8th class itself. I hope you have remembered it. I'll tell you the mnemonics to remember it as well. Let's see, students. Timpy, yes, you all are giving me correct answer. I'm super duper happy to see your response. Yes, the answer is potassium. Symbol is K, very much reactive metal. Potassium and sodium are very much reactive metal. I can say the element present in group 1 of periodic table. Group 1, when you see the big periodic table, the first vertical column is a group of very reactive metals. Okay. Wonderful, students. Let's see who is on the top in our leaderboard right now. Yes, potassium is the answer. Please participate by the code 751783. Wonderful, wonderful. And the response we got is Priyanshu on the top. I'm so happy. Congratulations, Priyanshu. Then Kanushka, then Kasata. Okay. The Lion King, Mr. Taco, A.B. de Villiers. I'm also a fan of A.B. de Villiers, by the way. Good. Then Ishandeep, Divya, Varshini, and Arya. Wonderful, students. You all can come to this leaderboard. Just keep doing your best. Okay. Yes, one more question, everyone. What is your name? My name is Anubha Gaur, chemistry master teacher at Vedantu. Okay, one more question. The liquid metal at room temperature. The metal, but still it's a liquid. What exactly is that metal? Mercury, bromine, sodium, or gold? It's a very easy question. Try to find it out, okay? Mercury, bromine, sodium, or gold. There is one metal that is in liquid form. Yes, Arzu, Dev, Neeraj, very nice. B nahi hai bacha. It's a liquid. Please figure it out. And I hope you have already hit the like button at the maximum possible likes क्योंकि बहुत आगे तक लेके जाना है इसको. This initiation we have made for all of you must be appreciated by all the students, right? So please do it right now. Mercury is the answer. Most of you gave me correct answer. I'm so happy to know it that mercury liquid metal used in thermometer also. One more question and we will see the leaderboard again. The question is non-metals are. Non-metals are generally liquid, generally gases, generally solid or gases, generally gases and liquids. Four options, they're talking about non-metal, okay? Non-metal's physical state. Liquid, gases, solid and gases, or D, gases and liquid. Sanju, think one more time. Kanchan, correct. Virendra, one more time. Yeah, Archie, no. Oops. Like, how come you marked? Yes, bacha log. Yes. Means so many of you gave me correct answers. Still, so many of you are confused. Non-metal are either solid and gas. There is only one non-metal that is in liquid form. Please tell me your answer. Generally, gases are solid. Okay, there is only one non-metal that is in liquid form. One non-metal that is in liquid form. Generally, gases, some are solids. There is only one non-metal exception as a liquid. Yes, we got some answer, correct answer, bromine. Arey wow, wonderful students. Means most of you already know it and base is already clear. Let's see what we got on leaderboard right now, which says, who is the fastest one? And yes, thank you everyone. You got it. Priyanshu is still the fastest. Very well done, Priyanshu. Then A for Ashwin, Aditya, Kasata, AB, Yash, Madhansh, Aryan, ISRO. You want to go to ISRO? My best wishes are with you. If you do need any help, just let me know. Tanishk, wonderful. You all are doing super duper amazing. Menti code Shamita is 751783. Do join it, okay? You're in top 10. Yay, Kosam. Very nice. Chinmay, how are you? Question on the screen, the metal which is stored in kerosene, because the metal is very reactive in nature, we can't put it in air just like that. Phosphorus, magnesium and sodium. Pay attention, you need to find out metal that is kept in kerosene. Very easy question. A bit late, Jagdish. It's fourth question. All right. Silicon is not a metal. Phosphorus is also not a metal. How come silicon? Some of you are typing. Wonderful, wonderful. Only three options we have this time. And why my students are confused and telling that phosphorus is a metal. It's a non-metal, and that too phosphorus is very much reactive with air, but we kept it in water, pure water, distilled water, because phosphorus being a non-metal, non-metal doesn't react with water. Non-metal does not react with water, so we can store it in distilled water as well. Okay, तो गलत हो गया. Correct answer was C, that is sodium. All right, did you get it? Yes, wonderful. Hi, Bacha. Hi, Kalyan. Yeah, we are trying to enjoy lockdown because it's for all of our benefit and our health. One more question. You'll see your position in the leaderboard on the screen. The non-metal which is liquid at room temperature is. Somehow we already did this question. The only non-metal which is there in liquid form. Carbon, iodine, bromine or chlorine. Let's see. Mercury is not there in the option as well. Who is this player of the day? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Wonderful, wonderful response. Let's see right now that who changed the leaderboard. Oh my God. Very nice response. 469 out of you gave absolutely correct response. Bromine is the only non-metal which is in liquid form, and that too highly vaporizable liquid, can easily convert into vapors. Why mercury is a metal? Because mercury also has the other possibility of being a metal, like they donate electron like metals, okay? Have a bit high boiling point also, you can say that. So it follows the property of metals. Okay, all right, Priyanshu is still the fastest. Which net do you use? Then Ashwin, Aditya, Kasata, AB de Villiers, Madhanj, Aryan, ISRO, Rohit, and JK also came in the leaderboard. Amazing. I hope my students are liking the session, and it's so happy to see that there are 601 students playing throughout the India and maybe from outside with all of you. So let's maintain this healthy competition. Hey Komal. Yes, you are Priyanshu. Okay, the question is, materials around us can be classified into, it's like 8th class question. Do focus it. That's what we understood from previous 5 question. I told you 70% question would be easy. Materials, whatever is there around us, is generally classified as elements and compounds, metals and non-metals, acids and bases, or none of these. The very basic thing of this chapter. Yay, very nice, my students. Most of you gave me correct answer. Wonderful, wonderful. And the correct answer is definitely metals and non-metals. Okay? Very nice, superb, very nice job. One of you are saying none of these. Is it so? One more question, students. All metals are solids except, you already know it, sodium, calcium, mercury, hydrogen. All metals are solid except, you need to tell me the exception, which you already know it. Oh, hi Anubha Ma'am, hi Vandana. Wonderful. Who are these students who are telling sodium is the answer? All metals are solids except which metal? Last 3 seconds and the answer is right now on our screen, that mercury is the answer. Many congratulations to all the students. I hope Menti is telling you your position where you are. Please try to enhance with every question. Thank you, Radhika. Thank you so much. Hey, Aryan. Wonderful. Madhumita, how are you, bache? You all are doing great. Keep doing this great work, okay? Leaderboard says we can see some new names, which is nice to see. Okay, all right, Priyanshu is still the fastest and on the top. Aditya, Aryan Isro, then Pravesh, KMR, Room, JK, Madhansh and Atharva. Wonderful people, wonderful. You all are doing super duper amazing. And I'm so happy to see new names in the leaderboard that you all are putting your best efforts. One more question, everyone. With every two questions, we are going to see leaderboard. Yeah. Metal oxides are generally of nature. You need to tell me the nature of metal oxide. Metal react with oxygen to give metal oxide, and metal oxide has what nature? You can prove it by putting it into water, and the solution when you test with litmus paper changes its color. Okay, is it acidic, basic, neutral or all of these? Metal oxides nature you need to find out. बताओ जल्दी से क्या है? अरे वाह, wonderful new student, very warm welcome. Basic, yes, that's super easy. But still, so many students got confused with acidic. No, bacha. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Example, suppose I'm taking a very simple example. Whenever you burn magnesium ribbon in air, it gives magnesium oxide, and that's definitely a metal oxide. How can you prove it? Whenever you take your metal oxide and put it into water, what it will give you? Magnesium react with water to give magnesium hydroxide. And base have this property that base releases OH ions in water and base. And how can we prove it? When you take red litmus paper will turn blue. Okay, so the answer was basic oxide. Thank you, Snigdha. Priyanka, just refresh, maybe some technical issue. Wonderful, very nice. Eighth position, very nice, very nice. Okay, basic is the answer. Let's keep doing it. We can correct it, है ना? We can do it. Okay, students, one more question. The metal which can be cut with a knife. The metal that can be cut with a knife. Soft metal. Sodium and potassium, barium and calcium, sodium and mercury, and potassium and calcium. It's a very easy question, and I'm pretty sure that you all are going to give me correct answer. Yay, I think so. If some of you haven't joined till yet, the code is 751783. And if somehow you couldn't join, in any case, you can give your answer in the chat box. I would love to see your answers in the comment box as well, and we'll get back to you. My channel will get back to you and reply to all of you. Yes, Pihu, wonderful, bacha, very nice. Answer is definitely sodium and potassium. These metals are very soft और आप उसको आराम से चाकू से काट सकते हो. You can cut it with knife. लैब में मैंने बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट किए हैं. That will be stored in kerosene. बाहर निकालोगे, थोड़ा सा कट करोगे, and then you put it in your test tube to perform the experiment. Okay? Well done, well done. It's yeah. इसको handle करना is a bit difficult because it's toxic in nature in terms of what? बहुत reactive है. Okay? One of you are telling enjoy till 10th, 11th class is going to be super मुश्किल. तो डरना नहीं है, डर के आगे जीत है because we all are there to help you out. Very soon we are going to start 11th, 12th also so that we all can help you out in terms of 11th and 12th also. Okay, Priyanshu is still the fastest. I'm so happy. And Aditya, Aryan 2, see position change, KMR, Room, JK, Atharva, Hero and Bhavna. Two new names in the leaderboard. Isn't it amazing that you all are putting your best efforts? So happy to see it. So happy. Pankaj, great bacha. Thank you, VK. One more question. When non-metal react with water, then I somehow gave you the response in the case of phosphorus. If you have heard or listened, ma'am, clearly and properly. When non-metal reacts with water, then hydrogen gas is formed, carbon dioxide gas is formed. Non-metals does not react with water or none of these. Shivansh, great job. Shivansh, yes. Oh, very nice. I think some of you are confused that hydrogen gas is formed. So, my lovely students, only one third of you gave me correct answer. Correct answer was what? Correct answer was that it doesn't react. Okay, non-metal does not react with water. Okay, because non-metal is like more of a acceptor of electron. Non-metal, you know, that has a tendency to accept. और hydrogen gas form होने के लिए this hydrogen need electron to remove in form of hydrogen gas. This acceptor can't give its electron at all. So reaction is not there. That's why we see phosphorus is stored in water because it doesn't react with water. Okay, so answer was C. It's okay, it happens, but we are learning. Learning is the most important part that we are going to take away from this class. I hope you all are hitting the like button and appreciating all the efforts given by all the teachers of Vedantu. All right, the question is the number of proton in an atom of an element. Atomic number is 19 or number of proton. Number of electron in A plus. A is the element. So in elemental form, proton electron is equal, that is 19. A became A positive and positive by loss of electron. When it is doing, what are the number of electrons left in A positive? Is that 18, 19, 20, 21? Okay, ninth class में किया है ये. Let's see. Okay. This would catch fire. No, bacha, it's reactive, but it's stored in kerosene. One of the student is asking a question. You just came out of kerosene. I mean the metal piece. That doesn't mean suddenly it catches fire. You can take a very small volume, can wipe it with the paper, filter paper, and can put it this much time for a small volume is okay. It won't catch fire. I've done so many experiments. Okay, students, how come the confusion is in this question? Isn't it easy question? Then how come my students got confused? Okay, let me help you all. Let me help you all with this question. And what was the question? Question was, let me show you that what happened when your A having 19 proton. So proton 19, so electron V 19 because atom was neutral. But they are asking if A is converting to A positive, when one electron is lost, one positive charge it is going to develop. So electron was 19, by loss of one electron it became 18. So it has 18 electron as what the requirement of the question. So what's the answer, students? Answer was 18, that is A. Did you get it? Did you get it? Yes, wonderful. Don't worry, I don't have corona, some sore throat by taking so many classes back to back. Yeah. And we can see a change in the leaderboard right now. Priyanshu is still on the top, doing wonderful. Then we have our hero. Hero is back. Akshat, wonderful. Dragonite, Aryan, Zaltan, and Anurag, Silver, Nachiket, and Divyalok. Wonderful people. You all have crossed 10,000 points. It is amazing to see. Amazing. How to answer? If you didn't get anything on Menti, if you're not able to join Menti बच्चा, तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में भी आंसर कर सकते हो. ठीक है? NTSC प्रिपरेशन भी उसके लिए भी वीडियो बनाएंगे. Still we have so much of time, है ना? सब करेंगे. Don't worry, just keep following Vedantu. Just subscribe Vedantu and you'll get all the information. Everyone, Sanjit, do this question. In a reaction of aluminium oxide with NaOH, what is formed along with the water? ठीक है, aluminium oxide is an amphoteric oxide. Okay, बच्चा लोग? Aluminium is a metal. Amphoteric oxide means in presence of base it will behave as an acid. Amphoteric oxides are those oxides that can behave as an acid as well as a base. अगर base में डालोगे it is behaving as an acid. Acid में डालोगे it will behave as a base. So aluminium oxide with base is acid-base reaction. along with water, definitely it gives salt. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I thought you'll get confused with this, but you didn't disappoint me because you all did a wonderful job. Let me explain this for you as well, because what's the point when we didn't get anything and we keep on moving with more and more questions. So it's good if we clear out our confusions, because this platform is to clear out our confusion and to move to a clear path. All right, aluminium oxide, amphoteric oxide, NaOH के साथ जब ये react करेगा, it's like now it behaves as an acid. Metal oxides हमने पढ़ा था generally basic, but amphoteric, zinc and aluminium are those metals, their oxides are amphoteric, can behave as both depending upon the condition. So acid base is like salt and water reaction. Okay, so it will give you water, and which is the salt? Sodium aluminate. Now you'll be like, ma'am, why are you writing sodium before? We always write the chemical formula with more electropositive substance. 9th class में पढ़ा था how to make a chemical formula. Sodium in starting, sodium is more electropositive than this aluminate, that's a salt. So answer is sodium aluminate A. Okay, very nice gamer ji. Wonderful students, you are getting so many concepts. I'm so happy to see it. One more question everyone. Meena ji, do it. Which of the following represent the correct order of decreasing reactivity? Means the order, first we start with very high reactivity, then reactivity decreases. I hope you all remember the reactivity series. Please stop calling me a zebra. I like her calling me silly guy, silly girl, silly god, whatever you want to call it. Try to remember the mnemonics, to remember the reactivity series of metals that decreases down. Reactivity, let's see. Oh, all right. Wonderful. I didn't expect this kind of a response. Huge response. Some of you are confused. Let me clear your confusion. Wow, Satyajit. Very nice. So many of you gave me correct answer, and I am super duper happy. Happy to see it. Congratulations to all my lovely students, all my amazing class who are contributing in a very wonderful manner. So let me tell you, this way you can remember. Okay, please for potassium, stop sodium. Okay, do it. I have already made the whole video Umang series के नाम पे on metals and non-metals. You all can check all the videos of metals and non-metals if you want to study with us. So please stop calling me a zebra, iron, like, let, her, calling me mercury, silly, silver, girl, gold. Okay, so zinc पूछा है पहले. Answer was 1, that is magnesium, aluminium, zinc and iron. See this? पहले आएगा magnesium, this was magnesium, then aluminium, then zinc and then iron. Okay, so answer was A. Super. Nand Kalpana, very nice. I hope you got it. तो अभी क्या करना है आपको? You can all follow Vedantu's Umang series of previous year, in which we completely did all of metals and non-metals, right? And so many of you are already giving response in the chat section about some more and more mnemonics we can use. Wonderful students, let's see the leaderboard again. Careless zebra is also fine, zebra. Okay, Kirti, it's fine. That is also fine. Very nice, Srujan. I'm so happy to see you. Wonderful. Okay, the code is 751783 on the screen if you still haven't joined. Sakshamji, what's the issue? Not getting or just to get some attention? Why you're doing this? New to Vedantu, Astha, wonderful. 15th position, Viraj, very nice. We have Priyanshu still on the top. Okay. Hero, Advait, Silver, Harshit, Anurag, Aditya, Vroom, Aishwarya and Akshat. See, you all can change the leaderboard. You all have that capability. Just keep focused throughout the class. It's very, very important to be focused. One more question, everyone, for all of you, and the question is: an element react with oxygen to give a compound with very high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. The element is likely to be. So, to be very honest, the compound is going to form is ionic, because ionic compounds are the one which is having very high melting point. As soon as we put it into water, they dissociate into ions and get soluble in water as well. So what is that substance given here will make that oxide ionic, complete ionic in nature and following all the property? Let's see. Calcium, carbon, silicon or iron? Wonderful student. Very nice. Yes, you all gave me correct answer. At least half of the class that calcium is the answer. Okay, calcium is the answer. How come? Calcium react with oxygen. Tell me students what it will give you. Calcium reacts with oxygen. What it will give you? Tell me. Okay, calcium with oxygen. Calcium with oxygen gives calcium oxide. Metal non-metal makes ionic compounds with very high strong force of attraction called as electrostatic force of attraction. To overcome this force of attraction, we need very high heat, so high melting and boiling point, as well as soluble in water. Wonderful. You all gave me correct answer. So happy to see it. Yay, students. Yay. You have defeated? Oh my God, is it so? Wonderful. Very nice. We'll see the leaderboard again. Yes. Okay, Venu. I'll take that and reminded my team. Will remind it. Pakka se. Just now you have joined. Why, bacha log? Can you see? Priyanshu is still on the top. Hero, Advait, Silver, Harshit, Aditya, Vroom, Abhinav, Aryan and Rishabh. Some new names. So I hope all of you are participating and giving your best. That's what I want from all of you. क्या प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं आप लोगों का बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग करने की, ताकि जो आपका 10th क्लास की जो बिल्डिंग है एजुकेशन की एंड मार्क्स की वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बने, राइट? Okay, so it's about the final answer of the day, final question of the day. Let's see who will change the leaderboard. Which of the following pairs will give displacement reaction? Displacement reaction is the kind of a reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its aqueous solution. So find out the pair, an individual metal with a metal salt, and that metal is strong enough to replace the metal from the metal salt. So copper with sodium chloride, aluminium with magnesium chloride, silver with iron sulfate or copper with silver nitrate. Try to remember the activity series we already told you. Oh my God, what exactly had happened this time? ISRO, okay Arushi, request, taken. I'll try to do my best to make a video on the same. Bale bale everyone, very nice answer was D. Why? Copper is, see the reactivity series in front of you, half of it. Copper is here and silver is here, means copper is more reactive than your silver in silver nitrate solution. Means displacement reaction, it will show your copper can displace silver from silver nitrate and can give you copper nitrate salt with silver. Did you get it? Sodium will also displace copper. Bacha, first was copper with sodium chloride. Copper can't displace sodium. And aluminium can't displace magnesium in option 2. Same, silver can't displace iron. Only D option is correct. I hope you got it. Please follow Vedantu 910 channel, क्योंकि हर दिन we share schedule in the morning. You can get through the schedule और weekly schedule भी कोशिश करते हैं share करने की initially, ताकि आप कोई भी session miss ना करो. It's very much important to join all the session because we all are making our best efforts only for all of you. Because पिछले साल जो भी analysis किया था, paper almost so many questions came from that only. So do it, please follow. आवाज अच्छी लगती है. Oh my God, thank you. Chatterbox. Who is the chatterbox of the day? Okay, finally, we are going to see the final person of the leaderboard on the top, and it's Priyanshu Rajpurohit. Priyanshu is still on the top. I'm so happy to announce that Priyanshu scored 14,832 points. Isn't it amazing, students? Isn't it amazing? Wonderful. नेक्स्ट क्विज का नोटिफिकेशन भी जल्दी आ जाएगा. आईसीएसई स्टूडेंट, सीबीएसई स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप लोग देख रहे हो, आईसीएसई का कल एक वीडियो आएगा अबाउट हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस ईयर वेल इन केमिस्ट्री, और सीबीएसई का सैटरडे को आएगा मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 8:30 और 8:45. यू विल गेट द शेड्यूल कि हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर सीबीएसई 10th फॉर केमिस्ट्री. Do follow all the videos because I know you all want to prepare in such a way that at least 95 plus तो आने चाहिए short. Right? So I hope students समझ आया, मजा आया. Happy birthday. Thank you students. I'm taking the wishes again. I hope समझ आया, मजा आया. So keep following all the videos because we are trying to bridge the lack of that, or should we say the knowledge gap, to fill it so that you can easily cross to 10th class in a wonderful manner. Right? Thank you so much. I'm always there for all my students. Do this thing that hit the like button, share it to your friends that they can also join all the possible quiz, and subscribe to the channel and ask your friends too, because ये क्वारंटीन का थोड़ा फायदा उठाना है ताकि सब कुछ हम बहुत जल्दी से स्ट्रॉन्ग कर ले, ताकि 10th में कोई हमें नहीं रोक सके अच्छे से मार्क्स लाने से. Wonderful students. Thank you so much. Be there every time. I'll wait for all of you in all my sessions. Do follow Vedantu. This is it for today. I'm signing it off for today. Well done, everyone. Take care of yourself. Bye bye, my students. Take care. Stay happy. Bye bye.